Hello everybody, my name is Chelsea. I am a Children's Services Assistant at Clearview Library District. Hello, welcome back to another wonderful challenge for you guys. It's February, it is the month of love. What more could you want for the month of love than some warm, gooey, chocolatey brownies? So, for Family Cooking Challenge for February, I challenge you guys to get creative and get fun and get into the kitchen as a family and cook together some delicious brownies, okay? So for those of you who are new, Family Cooking Challenge is just a fun way to get everyone in the family together cooking and in the kitchen and getting creative and having fun, okay? So in your kit this month, you will find a brownie mix and some frosting. So the challenge is add anything fruity, chocolatey, colorful, just get creative, still make it edible, have fun with it, snap some pictures, send them to me. All that information is in this email as well. So send it to me, chelsea@clearviewlibrary.org. And just so you guys know, any pictures that you send to me, we may use in a social media post, or like on Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. So if you guys don't want to do that, please let me know in the email. So when you send it back, just say, please don't use my pictures. But for the most part, everybody is really cool about that because it's just such a fun thing. This has been really popular, and thank you guys so much. We really have enjoyed seeing all of the wonderful creations that you guys come up with. So for this month, make some wonderful brownies and make them fun, decorate them, get colorful, add fun stuff to it. Just let me know what you do. Snap a picture, send it to me, and we will pick a winner. Congratulations to all of our winners so far. You guys are doing awesome. There's some really, really great creations out there, so things that I wouldn't think of. So we're really excited. And we just want to continue this and have a great time. We've got some wonderful ones coming up. So thank you so much, and get cooking. And Family Cooking Challenge for February, brownies, have fun. We can't wait to see what you guys come up with. We need your submissions in by 2 weeks from today. So that is Friday the 19th, okay? So we look forward to seeing those, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.